delete the second video.
Hey guys, this is BCB, and we're doing. The winds are super strong here. There's been
Remember that one that we posted where it was like winds were super strong? Well, that was today, and it just stopped because I never.
The video ended because of the wind, so now we're just making a new one.
Yeah, we tried to delete it, but we couldn't.
So,
couldn't.
we're kind of having tape difficulties.
Just right
right
there.
now. I can't. I'm gonna get some better scissors.
No, these are.
They're our best singers.
I'm gonna get
Singers, what? I said Siggers. What's Siggers? I don't know.
Oh,
Tina?
I just got.
I said that is legendary tape and it can bind everything together. So it makes the floor. So we're not making this floor right now. Right now we're getting everything connected together. All that great pink tape. We're getting all that pink tape connected to everything. See, once we get it connected to the bottom, we should be fine. But guys, we're not really. Right now, we're just separating the cardboard from out from under.
Okay, now to the story. Guys,
No going. I need to get better.
Okay, guys, I got this piece of duct tape, and this is our wall. I mean floor, all down here. All of that. So, as I start building,
yeah.
things are gonna get harsh.
After we build the wall, are we gonna start the story? After we build the wall, Brandon? When? And when, Brandon? You're doing the story right now.
Yes, I know. I said that.
Guys, put the story piece. Right here.
Hurry, the bomb's the nuclear. The nuclear bomb.
What? You guys started the story without me?
Okay, guys, he's back in. Okay, now we're starting the story.
The nuclear bomb.
It's starting. This is really small for now. This is a small house for now, but we need to connect whatever we have.
Whoa, guys, the wind going crazy.
You don't need to do that though.
Yeah, we got a little.
So we got a small house, but I failed to find the
guys.
better scissors. But
I can rip it.
okay. So right now
Cut it right here.
we
Put it here.
we need to connect the tape to the tripod.
I'm talking big wall.
Boy, that's not big.
But that's
Actually, Brandon, cut this.
yeah.
Nice.
guys, you're gonna
You just have to do it
like
quick.
this. The wall needs to be strong. Yeah, we need to cut some pieces, and we might need to tape.
I know, but not right now.
Brandon, we might need to take some pieces here.
Guys, sorry, I forgot to move the camera.
Make the wall like
We
this.
actually ended up the nuclear wave started, and I had to
Sorry, the
face
wind.
it coming from that way, and now it's coming from the
Brayden, what's going on?
what?
It's pulling it down.
Guys, because someone on we're having tripod difficulties right now.
Okay, guys, we're good.
Okay, so see this wall? That's where the nuclear wave is gonna come from. It's gonna destroy my whole house. That place is not sturdy. Only this steel is,
Brayden,
aka cardboard.
Take
But
this.
we do need to make a wall.
well, tape this. Tape this. Come on, guys, cut it.
But my shield
We need cutting.
cannot serve. Won't be able to have enough power. Don't do it, Emily. Don't.
Hurry.
Emily, don't do it.
Brayden,
You just gotta do it. Like,
nice.
okay, so
Got this.
So my tripod / shield will not be able to survive the nuclear wave. It will, but it won't be able to shield very much of it.
Guys,
We
this
need-
thing might tumble or not.
Brayden, tape it. I mean, cut it.
We need to connect. We to connect all of the little pieces from the bottom with Scotch tape.
Here, I got some. I got a little.
We don't need that. Okay, so we're gonna have to connect all of them.
Guys,
With
I'm
Scotch
using a
tape.
shield for a
We need
second.
to glue.
Wait, but guys, wait. So I need the tripod.
Hold on.
So I'm connecting all of the little pieces right now.
Need
We need
to.
to make doors.
Yeah. So it's not gonna be able to be strong enough to last the whole nuclear wave. No, I got it. And
But
then
that's a waste of scotch.
it's exactly. You don't really use Scotch that much. So we're having to connect all of these pieces so they can all share the power of.
Guys, the wind is blowing it right now.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not. Guys, it's really not. He just likes to make things dramatic.
No, I don't.
Yes, it's not. Okay, so
Good, put it right here.
and now
Cones right
we
here.
have to. He didn't do it long enough. And now we have
This will just be.
to connect it so that we can.
Guys, our tripod is getting broken. Yeah.
That was
I got it. I know.
Okay, so it's okay.
Okay, guys.
Guys, we're gonna have to end this video.
No, we don't.
Oh wait, no, we're not.
Brayden, we'll have to work all alone. Guys, my science project is to help figure out what this nuclear wave is. So I'm gonna go in. Emily's gonna come with me. Brayden's gonna have to.
So right now they're gonna go like
make count.
they're gonna go make a compound of stuff to like, and we're gonna pretend and we're gonna like drop it on the cardboard, a little bit of it, and we're gonna put the tripod on it.
But he has to go do his
I know.
science project. Right.
But
Make it part 2 of it.
wait, does Cohen have to go in and Emily? Cohen, Emily, you don't have to go in. No.
Guys, I have to go in.
So come on. We gotta
Cohen and Emily aren't leaving. I'm gonna go make a compound to help destroy this nuclear wave. To
We're
figure
not
out
the
what
nuclear
it's
wave,
about.
but just help us.
I'm also making robots so they can seal up the nuclear. Guys, our wall it's falling. We need
to start the tape. Get the tape. Oh no! A bit of the nuclear wave. Cohen! Nuclear wave! Get under there! We're gonna have to cover this up. Huh? Nuclear fields?
Yes.
Coming from here. This is the only way they're coming from.
They're coming from that way.
No, they're not. I promise you, Cohen. And I'm gonna open up the windows. So we just closed the windows because I thought it would be cold, but we need to reinforce the wall.
Yeah, we need
Get this tape.
I got the tape.
I'm using
Come on, you
Scotch.
hold the tape.
Scotch will work better.
Oh,
No, our wall.
I got it. I got
The
it.
wind. I farted. I farted. The nuclear wave. I'm not kidding. It's gonna explode. In 5. No, it's not coming yet.
In a minute, it's going to explode.
Well, we'll tell you whenever it's here.
Say, whoa.
We need.
Say.
Cohen needs to help me make the compound.
No.
He has to go in.
No, he doesn't. Why?
Guys, he has to go home.
Okay, guys,
I'll be right out. I
Okay, try to finish it as quick as you can.
I can't stay.
Yes, you can.
Come on!
Mom?
Nobody needs to know about that.
Guys, so I'm having to hold the wall up while they're gone inside in their little safe house. They want to be extra safe. Well,
I'm trying to build a compound.
yeah, but Cohen, he just wants to go in to do his stupid homework. Who needs to do that whenever there's literally nuclear tornado wind?
His homework is about the nuclear tornado
No, it's
winds.
not.
Yes, it
It's
is.
school homework. But like, but guys, I just want to say one thing. His homework is school homework. He just wants to do it. But
No, it's about.
no, it's not. But it's like, God, it's just. But
It's not scotch. No, you're not using scotch. No more
Why?
scotch.
Why?
Guys, the
Why
worst
would we
tape
bring it
you
out?
can use.
Okay, but
Come on, Cohen.
So Cohen wants to do his homework, his regular homework, not homework on this, because this ended up just happening. Like there was huge winds, and that turned into tornado winds. Go do your sentence.
So,
we need the compound quick. You need to go.
Okay, fine.
Guys,
Just
the
go.
bomb is gonna get us in 25
go.
minutes.
We'll just tell you. But I need to start building. Oh, flip! This doesn't work.
Get it! It does work.
It has a bunch of stuff on it. Okay. Oh gosh. No. We need to get this tape down. We need to get fast. No. Not today. Where's the scissors? We need to connect this. We need to connect you quick. Oh no, the wind! No! We need to get this ancient tape connected. No. Wait, you haven't even been looking at me. Okay. There we go. So, we need to get the ancient tape connected. Ancient tape works just with itself. It works. It helps the wall stay. That should be enough ancient tape. I've always thought this kind of color looks like ancient tape, but back to the story. It's alive scissors! No! It's trying to break the box for it! Okay, pretend that, these scissors got hit by a nuclear wave and they're becoming alive. No, they're trying to break the scissors! I'm in the box for... No! No, they're gonna break the tripod! Wait, they're helping? What? Wait, they're protecting it. Oh no! Oh, they're trying to break it! No, the tape! No!
Time to come in.
No!
What a question.
I don't have any homework.
Time's coming out of this weather.
Why?
Because it's cold and blowing. We got to clean all this up.
This is blocking the window. Please, just a
Go
little.
ask her Choo-Choo. She told me to come get you.
I know. Why did you ask her if I had to come in? You knew that she was going to say I had to come in.
I did not say that. I said your Choo-Choo was the one that told me to come get you.
But I told my friends that I'd be out here.
Come give me a hug. Let me go ask you.
Huh?
Come give me a hug and go ask your Choo-Choo if you can wait for your friends. When will they be back?
And they said they would be back in a few minutes, but I'm thinking maybe.
I need you to put your shoes
I know,
on.
but
Uh-huh.
I don't have to because I'm on this, and it's easier without shoes. And I
Yeah,
messed
we
up
had
the.
Give me some more love. I need you to put, let me see your feet. Come here. Let me see your foot. No. Let me see. It's not too bad.
Okay, so what is that?
What's what, buddy?
Oh.
That's a,
So
you connect it up to your TV.
okay, we're getting. Guys, we had technical difficulties.
Are you recording right now?
I've been recording. So we're having not technical, but like difficulties. The tape that was connecting it, that was allowing us to stream and allowing us to show and give the strength and kind of do the YouTube. We're pretending that it completely broke. No! Look, I just connected the tape. Look what happened to our wall. Look at that. It's completely fell. Okay, I need to pull this up now. How'd this happen? The ancient tape. It had a leaf. No. Guys, all of the ancient tape, it had a leaf on it. All things that aren't like house and stuff like that, it completely stops working. If it's like natural, it doesn't work. If it's, you know, let's say a leaf or something that involves nature, it will not work. And we had a lot of tape involved in this. Oh no! We're gonna end up adding someone in once they get back. We're gonna pretend like it's a survivor coming out of a house. So remember that house that I showed you? That was mine. But we're pretending that it's a completely new house and that we've been traveling. Gonna unhook you and see. Wait, so just stay here. I'm gonna go ask my cousin something. Guys, the tripod completely fell over. Oh no, that's why. It's unsturdy. We're gonna have to do this. I hate to, but we're going to have to with these winds. Guys, I'm gonna disconnect you from the tripod. We're not gonna be able to use the ultimate shield maker for a while. So we're gonna have to turn it off. So technically what I'm gonna do is see how this can stab, how these scissors can stab in really well. So what I'm gonna do is this. Like this. Get that right there. Get the wall put up and then Galugale. Okay. See? I did right there. It's not going to fall off as easy now. I think I even put these in the ground. Look how far I got that down. So, okay. Gonna have to rip it. Not rip it. Okay, so gotta stab it. That should keep us down for a while. Well, actually, gotta put it right there. Guys, this won't get in. Unlike right here. Okay guys, we're gonna have to close the lens for a while we can get some stuff done. It's something starting to get really frustrating.